Hi, my name is Vanita, and today we need to be discuss like what is a software quality, why it is important, and how does it matters to a company. What is software quality assurance? So let's discuss about briefly what is the quality and how does it matters. Coming to the quality part, like maintaining the software quality, which helps and reduce the problems. It helps and reduces the problems are nothing but bugs. Okay, it is reducing the bugs, errors in the final product, or we can say not only product, but as I said, we have a different terminologies. We can call it as a application, we can call it as a software, or we can call it as a project, build, URL, web application. Right. So to reduce the errors and bugs, that's why the software quality is very important. It also allows the company to meet the expectations and requirements of the customers. So that's why this quality assurance is important and it matters a lot to the company. Um, this makes it possible the companies for a build the high quality product and as well as increase the trust loyalty of the customers. As the product is good and it is useful and the duration is long time, then obviously the customers will trust and purchase our products. So we have to be get that belief from the customers. So that's why we have to be made our product without bugs. It has to be error free. So let us discuss to reduce the quality, to reduce the bug free. We have to be follow the some concepts. So concepts are nothing but first one errors, and second one defect, defect, and third one comes to the bug, bug, and fourth one failure. So here we have to be discuss the fifth one exception. Like we have to be aware of why exception and what is the does it require the exception, and how we have to be avoid this exception. So first understand like what is the error. Error is nothing but as if the name mention, like whenever whenever the developers whenever the developers try to write any mistake in the coding or developing, it shows in the red color indication. If the developer is writing a program, then suddenly they might miss the colon or any keyword, then it shows the error. So it indicates in the red color. So to our job is to identify the red color indication, that is nothing but the error. Okay. So why? And coming to the next part, when while developing the application, if programmer find out any mistake in the coding part, is called the error, as we have discussed now. So what is the exception? Exception is nothing but it's like a unexpected error will be in the runtime handled by the developers, or the program runs, but it shows the unexpected errors is called the exception. And exception is not a big deal, so we can uh, see in the later on classes how to avoid it, as well as coming to the next part, which is the defect, and why the defect is important during the testing. If any expected value is not equal to the actual value, is called the defect. So we have to be discuss in detail about what is the expected values and what is the actual values, who will give us this expected values, and what are the terms and conditions. We will be discussing all these things. So before that, we have to be understand like what is the bug. Bug is nothing but the defect accepted by the development team. Then it is called the bug. Whenever the developer accept the bug is called the when it is accepted, then we call it as a bug. So coming to the failure. Failure is nothing but the after the development and testing during the utilization, if customer face any problem is called the failure. At the time of utilization means once we release the product and it is in the market and the customers or users are using the product, if they find if it is not working, let us take an example of the phone. If the Redmi phone is not working, I'm just taking an example. So if any feature is not working properly, or might be it takes a lot of time to get the charge the battery, as well as it drains a lot, then everything comes under the failure, not the entire part of failure but some features which is not working. And also we have to be the warning. So warning is nothing but unnecessary things before releasing the application for removing the warning. Warning means if any pop-up which comes which is not required, so we have to be close it. So the memory is full, so try to delete some cache memory, so everything comes under the warning. So we have to be discuss detail in all this about the bugs as well as the quality. And the quality is nothing but, so what is the quality? As we have discussed quality, how it matters a lot and why it is important. So quality is, okay, so why this quality is important we have to be understand. Okay, so whatever, now let's understand. Okay, customers when, as we have already discussed, the satisfaction for the end users, it is nothing but the like clients or customer has to be get satisfied when they are using our product. Customer satisfaction, customer satisfaction, as well as we call it as a end user satisfactions. Yeah, end users satisfaction, it means nothing but customer should not face satisfaction. Customers should not face any issues once they started using our product. They should not face any issues while they are using our application or software. So that's why the quality matters a lot. Let's see in the briefly in the next class.